Umuthi ari thiku ya keri arutwo gukorwo magicokereria mathukuru-ini. Arutani anene nimorite thirikari gutigirira ite iria ciaheanitwo niciakinyira mathukuru maya na ihenya ta uria kwahoteka. Kuringana na murutani munene thukuru-ini wa muthingi wa Mwingi Joseph Mathui, augite arutwo nimeyumirite na njira nene thukuru-ini uyu kuria o kirathi kiri na arutwo 75, akiuga na mangenda arutwo guthomera rungu rwa miti matire na ite cia guikarira.
As hard, but we just hope maybe the government can do something so that we can afford to have the social distance as required. But meanwhile, please, it is really a challenge, but we hope something is going to be done.
Mathui ni ugite aciari no marathii nambere na kurehe ciana thukuru-ini no, akiuga gwikinyiria muthini wa kiumia giki arutwo aria matekinyitie thukuru-ini ni magakorwo macokereirie kuria gugukorwo no uritu munene wa ciana gukorwo ikirumirira mawatho ma kunyihia gutamba kwa murimu wa COVID-19.
As we open, we have got a challenge in the protocols of COVID-19. Last time when we had two classes, grade 4 and class 8, all our classes were fully occupied. But right now, when the all school now is there, I don't know. It's a really big challenge. We cannot maintain the social distance which is required by the government and the COVID.
Mateta maya mokite oriri Minister wa Githomo Professor George Magoha augite watho wa arutwo gukorwo magiikara haraihu na mundu uria ungi ni ugukorwo no uritu gukinyaniria, indi no muhaka arutani makorwo magibanga njira iria cikuhuthika gukinyaniria undu uyu. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, Rĩtũroko nĩ Wanjirũ wa Foro.